Forecasting live from Georgia right here. We got stickage.
Making the biscuits this morning. I'm gonna do half of them just regular and half with the blueberries. So I'm gonna get the regular ones in the skillet over here first, and then we'll add a few blueberries to the rest of it. It's really coming down now. What time is it? 8:05. It started really happening right about the time they said it was going to, 8 o'clock. Blueberry biscuits go really good with sausage gravy. We'll go ahead and put the flour in here for the gravy. Your what? With the light on it? Yeah. Yeah, I put it up. I put them up in the top of the closet. Okay.
I can only imagine what Facebook's doing right now with all these back porches and front porches.
Yeah.
I bet people's got their rulers out there already, sticking down in there trying to show their neighbor that they got more than they got. Oh yeah, y'all got what? We already got a 3/16. They ain't got but an 1/8 over there. Back in the day, it wasn't Facebook, it was you called them.
Oh yeah.
Is it snowing?
Took Polaroids too.
Yeah. That way you could show them at the next gathering.
Donna's smiling so big.
Oh, he loves the snow. Everybody loves it.
He wants to know if the pond's frozen right there.
Anybody that's wondering that's new, that pond's only about 2 foot in the middle.
Oh yeah, that's the deepest part in the middle. At the edge, it's probably, what, this deep?
It's not, yeah. It's as deep as the snow that some of these Georgians are gonna get.
Right. Do you think it's time?
To build a snowman?
No, to wake up Manly.
Oh.
Uh-oh, they lost Sissy. Oh no, there went Jonah.
Skeeter bag. Whoa, there's Jonah.
That slowed him down.
You got him, Sissy. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Sight is frightful. What's the words of that song?
But the fire is so delightful. Let's go.
But the fire is so delightful. Let's get inside, folks. Oh my goodness, I've got an unusual snowman. Decided to do chicken and dumplings at the last minute. So what we're gonna do, we are out of carrots. We're gonna be doing some corn and peas. I think it'll still be good.
Obviously, I'm pretty sure it was at a restaurant.
Folks, we've seen this at a restaurant.
Chicken and dumplings with no, it was just the chicken and the dumplings, maybe some onions, but no peas or carrots. No peas.
If you see it at a restaurant, do it.
I'm putting the chicken in the KitchenAid here. We're gonna shred it over here. This is a wonderful thing.
I want y'all to watch this as this happens right before you.
Sometimes you have to cover it because it gets a little bit wild.
Bashful.
Chicken starts flying out. Sometimes that's if I put too much chicken in it most of the time.
This is a very powerful little machine. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Isn't it wonderful? It's just wonderful.
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
We got a few biscuits left from this morning. Them things was good. Mama, I ain't even got a Facebook page, but I'm actually gonna go out here and measure this right here, and I may go see if the neighbor will let me put it on their page. On our porch, baby, 3. I don't know if anybody will let me post it on their page, but I'd love to show the world what we have. I was just kidding with y'all.
There's no way we would brag about that.
No, I wouldn't put, even if I had a Facebook page, put that on there. I mean, I could if I really wanted to get dramatic, like some of these fake news people. I'd go out there and stand on my knees and act like it was up to my... Just want butter or a little bit of bacon?
Just butter. Yeah, just butter. Throw that on in. I'm gonna turn this on to medium. We got the onion chopped up. When that starts melting, we'll put the onion in.
And we're watching the Christmas Carol again.
Yeah, it's because it's snowing, and you know.
Fallon does things for whatever's happening. Like if it's Christmas, we're on Christmas movies, and even though it's not Christmas now,
it's snowing.
It's snowing that brings back the Christmas thinking, and then all of a sudden you got Scrooge back on there.
Right.
And this is actually the best one. It's one we talked to y'all about before.
Yeah, see, aren't we glad we just left the tree up? Because now it feels like, look at, you see the tree, you see the snow. I put 6 tablespoons of flour in here with the onions. Now I'm putting just a little bit of salt, and we're gonna put 6 cups of chicken broth. Chicken going in. We're gonna need the rest of that chicken broth, because we put a lot of chicken in here.
Okay, folks, we're going in with 7 cups right here.
Just put all of it.
We're gonna put it all in. If you go over on your chicken broth, it don't matter, everybody.
When this comes to a simmer,
how much of this cream are we gonna put, Mama?
We're gonna start with half a cup. We might go with a cup since we're making a little more here.
Okay, you want me to put it in?
Oh yeah, just go ahead. Let's just go ahead.
Okay, Mama.
While this comes to a simmer, we're gonna go ahead and mix up the dumplings.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the corn ready.
No, well, okay, yeah, but we're not gonna put these in until the very end since they're canned because they're already really soft.
Yeah, you're right.
Normally I use frozen peas and real carrots.
If you put them in and they're canned, everybody, they'll disappear and it'll be almost weird. You'll look in there and the taste will be there, but they won't be.
So we're putting 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We need a tablespoon of baking powder in here. We need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. Whisk that together, and then we put in 1 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. I just take the cookie scoop and scoop out the dumpling dough, and then you just drop it in.
If it looks like, if it's snow time, then it's going to snow.
That's right. Snow could be coming.
We're making these chicken and dumplings. Some people, when
Like
it snows,
oyster stew,
want
I'm gonna call
oyster
it that.
stew. Yeah, that's what he wants. Jonah, are you going to be going oyster stew or chicken and dumplings? Jonah's the only other one that likes oyster stew.
I love chicken and dumplings. I love chicken and dumplings. And I also love oyster stew. I wonder if we're gonna have church Sunday. I gotta preach down the road Sunday, and I'm wondering if we're gonna have church.
Well, there's some churches around here that really do have really steep, like, you know, Brother Rex and Sister
Yeah,
Ava and
that's
them's
true.
church. Yeah, their church, the driveway to their church, I mean, it's like straight up almost.
Straight up, yeah. Can't you see me pastoring a church? They can't get to church, you call me and I'll go get them on a horse. Brother, we ain't gonna be able to make it. Y'all be in prayer for us. Why, sister? We can't get out. I'll be like, I'll be over in a little bit with the horse and buggy. He ain't gonna get stuck. Oh, you don't wanna ride on the buggy? I'll get you an inner tube. We'll let you have some fun going to church, baby. Sit back there and let's go. Sleigh bell ring. Are you lifted, baby? Oh, when the saints come sleighing in. Let's go. Oh, I want to be in that number. Sister Martha's coming right now. Here she'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
We don't really know anybody named Martha. He just made that up. Do we? I don't think we know
Well, I'm
anybody.
sure we do know somebody, but it wasn't you, Martha. If it's the one that we know, we wouldn't tell them it.
We always say George and Martha
George
because
and Martha, it's just easy. We're gonna change our name to George and Martha when we get
no, it's
90.
Polly.
When we get 90, I'm gonna be George. She's gonna be Martha.
We say George and Martha because of the Dennis the Menace, you know, Mr. Wilson, they're George and Martha, and so that's why we always say George and Martha, and that's why we named our scarecrows George and Martha.
Now y'all know.
All right, now we just put a top on these dumplings and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and it's ready. Oh, we'll put the peas in when the dumplings get done. Good?
Great. Very hot. That's really good, though. Super good.